Maximize your BIM workflows with Autodesk Insight, a powerful cloud-based analysis tool in the AEC collection. Autodesk Insight helps you improve energy and environmental performance throughout the building lifecycle by letting you integrate energy analysis, lighting analysis, and solar analysis for a holistic approach to building performance design. Make smarter design decisions using Insight's cloud-based analysis tools to iterate and optimize project parameters during the design phase. For example, use Insight to automatically create energy models from Revit, from concept to detailed design. Access analyses and visualizations directly in the modeling environment. Visualize and interact with key performance indicators, factors, ranges, and specifications with real-time cause and effect feedback. Quantify and visualize heating and cooling loads. Perform sun and shadow studies to accurately see how lighting conditions affect your model. Simulate daylighting and glare. Access solar PV performance analysis quickly within design environments. Now you can clearly see and thoroughly understand multiple interrelated aspects of a building's performance parameters before construction. Insight extends the capabilities and value of the Autodesk AEC collection through unprecedented levels of cloud-based performance analysis. Discover Autodesk Insight and discover all the power of the AEC collection.